If you are looking for Cyber Monday coffee grinders deals, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's check them out. Number 1, by JavaPresse Coffee Company. Our editor choice, now only at $23.99. Number 2, by Servue. Available now on Amazon only at $19.99. Number 3, by Bassani Home. Cyber Monday deals now available online. Click the circle and get yours. Number 4, by SimpleTaste. Available now on Amazon only at $10.99. Number 5, by Gourmia. For more info about these great Cyber Monday deals, click the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Capresso. Get this special Cyber Monday coffee grinders deal. Number 7, by Chefman. Available now on Amazon only at $23.98.